Imagine getting the gains from appreciation in real estate or a share of rentals without actually owning it. That too from real estate projects across the Asia-Pacific region and not just in India. Presenting the Kotak International REIT FOF, which is an open-ended fund of fund scheme that invests in the units of SMAM Asia REIT Subtrust Fund and also has the option to invest in similar overseas REIT funds. SMAM Asia REIT Subtrust Fund is the largest Asia-Pacific REIT fund. It invests in real estate projects around the Asia-Pacific region. The fund is managed by Sumitomo Mitsui DS Asset Management Company Limited, which has a significant portfolio of real estate investment trusts in Singapore, Australia and Hong Kong. Unlike in India, where the listed real estate investment trust invest majorly in office spaces, investments in SMAM Asia REIT Subtrust Fund will offer a diversified investment portfolio in residential, office, data centers, warehousing, retail and hospitality. Kotak International REIT FOF presents an opportunity to benefit from the growing demand for real estate in the Asia-Pacific region across key business sectors. These countries are witnessing growth in consumer spending, urbanization, and becoming the epicenter of global trade, which is expected to see a massive demand for real estate. As an investor, you may get to benefit from growth across sectors of real estate, both from its regular dividend along with the underlying rental income and a potential increase in the value of units through property price appreciation. Investment in a real estate investment trust may help investors to create asset allocation beyond equity and debt instruments. Investors could also potentially benefit from the appreciation of international currencies versus the Indian rupee by investing in the Kotak International REIT FOF, India's first global REIT fund of fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.